guys, Hera Remy here and welcome back to my channel. So today for you guys I have another wig review. So if you want to get all the details on the unit that I'm currently wearing, then make sure you keep on watching. So this unit is another Hera Remy unit. It was sent to me to review for you guys, so I'm here to share all the details on this unit. Let's jump into the specs. The unit that I'm currently wearing is their Meagan unit. I'm wearing it in the color OET 1B30, and this unit is supposed to be a lace frontal 26-inch long wig. So if you guys are interested in picking up this unit on the Hera Remy site, yet another affordable wig from them. This baby retails for $21.49, which is an incredible deal for the amount of hair that's on this unit. It's a human hair blend, so that if that makes any difference to you guys. And they do have it in several different colors on their site. Now this unit has your typical cap construction. You do have two combs on either side of the part, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. This unit is a breathable cap. There is lace down the parting, but it's not an entire lace frontal. You just have like about an inch of lace around the perimeter of this unit. The texture, I would say, is, I don't know if it's supposed to be yucky. It does have a little bit of texture to it because of the curls and the volume that I'm getting from that. So it does have some texture to it, but it's not entirely yucky. There are some layers in it, and you guys can see that the curl pattern, it was a tight curl pattern, but I decided to brush out the curls and I came up with this from doing that. You do have baby hairs along the perimeter of this unit and in the back of the unit as well, so that's a nice touch. I will have to say that I am experiencing some tangling, but this is a curly unit, so that's to be expected. And I'm also receiving a little bit of shedding from this unit, so that is also something to note if you are looking to pick this unit up. Alright, now let's jump into what I think of this unit. So, one thing that I really like about this unit is the coloring. I really like their 30 color. I feel like it's the perfect chocolate brown. I like it because I feel like it just, I don't know, it brings life to the unit. The curl pattern, I'm not too super crazy about it. It's decent. It's not my favorite. And the layering throughout it is a little bit awkward. It's kind of like short on like where I feel like they tied the hair to the like top of the unit, and then it just kind of is like one long length going towards the bottom of the unit. So I don't know, it just is a little awkward to me. So you know what, I actually think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut it and see if I can help that at all out. I think I'm going to take about this much off of it just because I feel like it needs it. Okay, yeah. I'm feeling this a little bit more now. Now I'm going to spray a little bit of my Sexy Hair Luxe Dry Shampoo to kind of dull down the shine a little bit, because I do feel like this wig is a little bit on the higher luster end of it. It could just be because of my lights, but ooh, we're not going to take any chances. Alright. Okay, now I feel like I am liking this baby a little bit more. Actually, a lot more. Wow. It's amazing what some scissors and a little bit of cutting can do for a unit. Alright guys, so I did take some scissors to this unit as you just saw, but I think I like it a lot better shorter. I feel like it looks a little bit more natural and realistic. I do think this is a nice unit. I think that the curls are going to kind of clump together. I noticed that right away, that even when I combed through it, and I was able to comb through it really easily with a wide tooth comb, that the curls wanted to just kind of clump right back together. Yeah, that is something to note. I do feel like this unit is going to tangle really easily. I did notice there was a little bit of tangling like toward the back of it. I think that me cutting it shorter will help that out tremendously because I'm not really seeing that anymore, but that is just something to know as well, that you probably are going to receive some tangling from this unit. And yeah, I mean, it just is what it is. But other than that, I feel like it's really cute. I really like the curl pattern. I think the curl pattern is really pretty if that's what you're going for. Like, you want those spiraled curls, I think you'll really like this one. I did pluck a little bit of the parting, just a very small amount to open it up a little bit, nothing too crazy. And then I'm using the baby hairs that came with the unit. So like I mentioned, the unit does have baby hairs, which is a huge plus, so you don't have to do all that customizing to the front of it to make it look good. Would I recommend this unit? I would, if you were looking for something that has uniformed curls. Just note that there is some shedding on this unit, and there is a little bit of tangling that I can foresee being an issue in the future if you do purchase this wig. But for $20, if you really want to give it a shot, I said go for it. As you can see, this is how it looks after you cut it, and this is a long unit, so I feel like once the unit starts to tangle more and more, you can kind of continuously cut up the unit and you can create something really pretty. So I do think that this unit will last you a long time if you are open to the idea of trimming it as you wear it. So that is it. Don't forget to check out the description box for the link to the Hera Remy site. They always have a ton of great stuff to offer, and they're always updating their site with new units. So make sure you guys open this description box and check out that link below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like this video and want to see more wig reviews from me. Don't forget to leave me a comment. You guys, we have reached 9,000 subscribers. I am over the moon with excitement. I really feel like 2018 is going to be my year for this channel, so if you guys want to join the family and support a up-and-coming YouTuber, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. I have a lot of great content for you guys coming up in the near future. I am hosting a giveaway currently. Hera Remy was nice enough to send me an extra unit to host a giveaway with. So if you guys are interested in entering the giveaway, make sure you check out this video. I will link it above for you guys so you can see all the details on how to enter. It does end on March 5th, so you do have about a week to enter this giveaway. So if you are interested in that, check out that link. It'll be above as well as below. Until my next video, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.